Today, we cut through the hype and talk about what trading is really like, beyond the flashy ads and the dream of quick riches. You've probably seen those ads or stories online, right? They show traders on a beach with a laptop making heaps of money before damn breakfast. It paints day trading as the most glamorous, easy path to wealth. You know, you're gonna be rich there on the beach with your laptop, not doing shit, but you're gonna be wealthy somehow. But let's get real for a second. The internet is filled with marketing trying to convince people that the definition of a trader is a person who sits in front of the screen all day while he's, like I said, on a beach sipping a margarita. The internet is filled with marketing trying to convince people that the definition of a trader is a person who spends all day actively trading in and out of the market on a short-term basis, all whilst somehow living the life of a Wall Street millionaire. First off, day trading isn't for the faint-hearted. It's like being in a high-speed car chase, but with your hard-earned money on the line. Picture this, right? You're glued to your screen, your heart races with every dip and rise in the market, and you're trying to make snap decisions that could either make or break your bank account. That's not a lifestyle, it's a stress fest. But there is a serious agenda in the industry to push this story to the masses. It's been relentless for decades. And I'm not saying there isn't a few traders out there who are making it work, but 99% of the people who try this style of trading or try to live up to the typical day trader, crazy millionaire young kid stereotype are probably doing themselves more harm financially and mentally. Watching the screen all day and looking for trades constantly is the equivalent to a compulsive gambler playing roulette in a casino. The successful traders I know of are looking at a bit higher time frames and longer time horizons. They have no restrictions on how long they are going to hold a trade for generally, and they tend to let the trades find them. The professionals I know do not watch screens all day long. They do not look for trades constantly. They will typically take some time off, make sure that they are mentally well, and that they also have a life. The obvious paradox and conflict in reality in the day of a day trader story is blatantly obvious. You know, how does a trader who is constantly looking at a screen and constantly trading have time to enjoy his life and live the Wall Street millionaire lifestyle? They chose to trade as a profession to have a life. They didn't choose it to watch a screen 24/5. And here are some points to consider that work against the so-called day trader. Firstly, the shorter time frame, the more noise and random price movement there is, thus increasing your chance of simply being stopped out of the trade. The second point to consider is that your trading edge has a higher chance of yielding a result if you're not trading with all of that noise. The third point to consider is that the same trading edge does not work or produce the same results on a 5-minute chart compared to a daily chart. Furthermore, you need to think about the fact that commissions and spread eat into your account, so the more you trade, the more it's costing you to trade. And risk-to-reward ratios are not relative on shorter and longer time frames. Statistical average volatility across different time periods, as well as natural market dynamics, can play a pretty big role in this. There is far more weight behind higher time frames than lower time frames. Another thing to consider is that trading from a bit of a higher time frame and holding trades for a longer time will offer you greater opportunities to see trades mature into big winners. And look, I'm not here to tell you that everyone should stop trade trading or scalping or trading short time frames. Far from it. For some, it might actually work out well. I'm pretty sure there are a few no-lifers out there who like sitting in front of a screen all day, especially if they've got the knack, the discipline, and maybe a bit of luck on their side. What I am suggesting though is that it's crucial to step back and look at the bigger picture. Getting a fresh perspective can be eye-opening, and considering the points we've discussed might just be the nudge that you need to reevaluate how much time you're spending in front of the screen. Trading in any form isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's all about finding what works for you. It's about your lifestyle, your financial goals, etc. But in the rush and excitement that short-term trading can bring, it's easy to miss the forest of trees, to get so caught up in the minute-to-minute fluctuations that you lose sight of the potentially much more rewarding, much less stressful opportunities that require a bit of a broader view. That require a bit of a broader view. That's what I was trying to say. So maybe give yourself a moment to think. Are there ways you could be working smarter, not harder? Could looking at longer time frames or adjusting your strategy help you achieve your goals with less stress and more life balance? Remember, the goal of trading isn't just to make money and sit in front of a computer all day. It is to make money in a way that fits your life and leaves room for the things that matter most to you. In the end, whether you decide to stick with day trading, scalping, or explore other strategies, the key is to do so with a clear head and a solid understanding of the risks and rewards involved. Trading should be a tool for building your future, not a gamble that can put it all at risk. So, take this different perspective as an invitation to reflect on your trading options. Maybe consider what you can do and maybe, just maybe, spend a little less time in front of the screen and a bit more time enjoying the life you are working so hard to improve. That's gonna be it from me for today. I hope that today I was able to change your perspective a little bit, and if you liked the video, the buttons to like and subscribe are down below, so don't be afraid to hit those. If you want to get in touch with us, the contacts page is in the description, or feel free to reach out to our 24/5 live chat. My name has been Oliver. Thank you for watching and have a great one.